Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is discreet. It is pronounced discreet and spelt D-I-S-C-R-E-E-T. Think dis, cree with two E's, and then the letter T. Discreet means careful not to be noticed or make a noise. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who is being careful not to draw attention to themselves. For example, you could say, she discreetly crept out of the room, or the spy discreetly listened to their conversation. A fun fact about the word discreet is that it comes from the Latin word discretus, meaning discerning or careful. See the connection? In the movie, The Incredibles, all the superheroes are required to be discreet in order to keep their real identities a secret. Edna Mode is a fashion designer who is always discreet and never reveals her personal life to the public. Secretly and discreetly, she makes costumes for all the superheroes. Synonyms for discreet are circumspect, prudent, reserved, and tactful. Antonyms for discreet include indiscreet, rash, reckless, and thoughtless. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, discreet. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.